lot of people really misunderstand happiness. We tend to believe that happiness will come if I just get this thing that I really want, whether that's this relationship, this promotion, this new shirt, to lose 10 pounds. If I get this, then I'll be happy. And the reality is you will be for a short time, but then you're going to come back to baseline. It's a process called habituation. Think about it like this. If you go to the gym and you work out really hard and your heart is pounding, it settles back down. And that's because our bodies and brains were designed for homeostasis, which means returning to normal. That happens not just with the gym, but with emotions as well. So when we get something that makes us happy, we're going to come back to baseline. The other big pervasive myth that I see is this idea that we should be happy all the time, this good vibes only culture. And the reality is that's not possible, nor is it desirable. Our emotions are like the weather. They're going to come and go, and we need sunshine just like we need rain. When it comes to our emotions, we want happiness, but we also need the other ones like anxiety and sadness because they tell us things like danger or I lost something I cared about. So we really need to keep in mind that happiness is more of an internal thing, and that feeling of pleasure or enjoyment or fun or I like this, that's going to come and go. True happiness is satisfaction, and it comes as a side effect of living your life well.